Welcome to Nabeel Math Academy. This is Dr. Mohammed Nabeel. In this video, we are going to see the antiderivative. The topic antiderivative. So it is antiderivative or anti-differentiation or integration. This is just opposite of the differentiation. So here there are formulas we have. If you differentiate, integrate, actually we say it is integration, antiderivative or integration. The integration of k is kx. X to the power n and x to the power n plus 1, whereas on the differentiation we will reduce. So how will you check whether you are right or wrong? So if you differentiate this part, you will get this part. This is actually a differentiation. So kx is k. Similarly, ln x, it is 1 over x. E power x, it is e power x. And sine inverse, it is 1 over square root of 1 minus x square. Tan inverse, this one. So remember, like this, it will be easy to remember the formula of the antiderivative. So like this, it will be very easy. So this is the formulas we are using in our problems, the antiderivatives. There are the properties we have. So C means you have to keep it constant. And by the way, in the calculus 2, you will see this all the integration in calculus 2. So this is the integration symbol. So whenever you will integrate, so there is an arbitrary constant C always. Now we will move to the next questions here. So here f of why we are using the antiderivative. What is the use of antiderivative? If the f prime is given, from the f prime I can calculate f. If it is the f double prime is given, I will calculate f of x, the original function. So this is the main use of the antiderivative. So here you have to differentiate. It's like a k. So when you differentiate, I will use the antiderivative symbol as capital F of x, cap symbol. Therefore, it is 6x plus c. C is the integration constant, arbitrary constant. Now the next one, I write it here, f of t. This is actually in terms of t. So it is in terms of t. So f of t, f prime of t equal 3t square. What about capital F of t, which is equal 3t power 3 over 3 plus c. Because as per the rule, I have to add the power. So I have to add x power n means n plus 1 over n plus 1. Here 2, therefore 3 over 3. So if you simplify, you will get 3 with the 3 cancel, f of t equal t power 3 plus c. Now the next one, f of x. So 1 over x. What is the 1 over x formula? Therefore it is ln x. Ln x plus c. Then f of a, which is given by what is secant square, which is the tan. Tan x plus c. The next one, e to the power b to the power x. So what is the difference between the differentiation and integration? When you differentiate this part, so this is the differentiation, y prime, e power 2x, what is the derivative? E power 2x into 2. Whereas in the antiderivative, this e power 2x is in the over 2. That is the only difference. This is the only difference in the antiderivative and the derivative. This is the derivative formula and this is the antiderivative. So whatever be in the product, it is in the over. That's it. So I will calculate this one. F of x is equal to 2 power x over ln 2 plus 4 times of cosine hx because it's a hyperbolic function. Now the next one, f of theta is equal, what is this one? 2 sine differentiation. We move to the next sine. What is sine? Sine is minus cosine. So I have to write in minus cosine. So minus will be in the front. Minus cosine. Minus 3 will be the same. What about sine, sec and tan? Sec tan is sec. So sec tan is secant theta plus c. That's it. Now here we have to first multiply, then we will do it. Multiply inside. F prime of x is equal to 12x square plus 8x. Then we will have f prime is there. Now I will do it f of x. What is f of x here? It's 12x power 3 over 3 plus 8x square over 2 plus 6. Now simplify this part. What is the simplification you will have? This is 4 times. Again, this is 4 times. So final answer will be f of x given by 4x power 3 plus 4x power 2 plus c. That's it. Now we have g of t is in the fraction. So I will simplify this part first. How will you simplify? Just make it this part as over. So I just separate. So this over this part, then 4 over root, and then this over this. So if you divide, what happened? So it becomes 2 t power 1 minus half. If you bring it up, minus 4 times of t power minus half plus 3 times of root t get cancelled, you will get 3. So if you simplify, you will get 2 power half minus 4 times of power minus half plus 3. So what is the integration? That is antiderivative. So antiderivative is 2 to the power. You have to add the power, by the way. So if you add, you will get what? 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus 4 will be the same t. So you have to add plus 1. So if you add minus half plus 1, it is half over half. And what about the constant? If you have a constant, the variable is t here, therefore 3t plus c. Now if you simplify, this goes to up, multiply, you will get 4 over 3t to the power 3 over 2. Now if you multiply, you will get minus 8t power half plus 3t plus c. So this one, g of t, that's it. Now the next one, we'll take this one. The condition here, the condition is given here. The condition is given, you have to find the value. So let us solve this one. How will you rewrite the given function? The f prime is rewritten as e power x plus 20 will be the same over 1 plus x square to the power 1. I just bring it down this part because to the power minus 1. And there is a function is given here. We will talk that one. Now what is the f of x? F of x e to the power x plus 20 is a constant like a c. What is the antiderivative of this one? 1 over 1 plus x square. 1 over 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. I write it here, tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus c. Plus c. So if it is not given, we can leave it here the answer. But there is an initial condition is given. I have to substitute, this is x and this is my y value. So f of y. So I just substitute the value. What happened? F of 0 equal e power 0 1 plus 20 tan inverse of 0 plus c. So this value is minus 2 is given. minus 1 plus this part is entire term is 0. So 0 plus c. If you move the two other minus plus 1 that side, it becomes c equal minus. So I just replace this one. I just replace this one c. So the final answer is f of e power x plus 20 tan inverse x plus this value is minus c. This is minus c. So I will replace the minus c. Why? Because of this condition. If the condition is given, the arbitrary constant will be replaced by the particular number due to the condition. Now we will solve this one. Since it is a double derivative, what happened? Since it is a double derivative, so I have to do it two times. I have to do it two times. So what is f prime? This is f of, yeah, f of f prime of theta. F prime of theta is sine is minus cosine, cosine is sine. This is one time done, one time is finished, plus c. So you have arbitrary constant. Now I will just fix this one. X value is 0. So the theta value is 0 here. Cosine 0 1, sine 0 0 plus c. So f prime of 0, which is equal 4. So c is equal 5. C is equal 5. I just replace in the f prime minus cosine theta plus sine theta plus this one replaced by 5. Now I will do it one more time, the antiderivative. So it is minus sine theta minus cosine theta plus 5 theta. 5 is a constant. Constant into the variable is here theta plus d. I will use the another variable. Why? Because c already we are using. Now I have to replace the d by using this condition. So what is this one? X is equal 0. So what happened here? F of 0 is equal sine 0 0 minus cosine 0 1. This one is 0 plus d. But what is this value? 3 minus 1 plus d. So move it minus 1 here. So x d equal 4. And replace here d as 4. So the final answer is f of theta is minus sine theta minus cosine theta plus 5 theta, and then last part is plus d. If you have a double derivative, you will have a 2 arbitrary constant. If you have a single derivative, you have a 1 arbitrary constant. And since it is a 3 third derivative, but the initial condition is not given, so no need to replace any values. The arbitrary constant is as it is. Let us check. So first I will do it. First time you will get double derivative. What is the derivative here? 12t minus cosine. 12t minus cosine plus c. Now one time you will have what? 12t square over 2 minus sine t plus ct plus d. That's right. Now if you simplify, you will get what here? It is 6. So f prime of t, I will write it here, 6t square minus sine t plus ct plus d. We are not discussing any substitution because the initial condition is not given. If the initial condition is given like this, at the same step you will substitute, you will replace the c as a value. But here no condition is given. Now again I have to go with the second one, the f of t. You will get 6 power 3 over 3. Here minus of minus become plus cosine t and plus ct square over 2 plus dt plus e. Now simplify what happened. 2. So f of t is equal to t power 3 plus cosine t plus ct square over 2 plus dt plus, so since it is third derivative, therefore you will have three arbitrary constant, and since it is no initial condition is given, leave it as it is. Thank you.